Hey everyone, Scoop Scientist here. Today I'm making a flammable fire gel. This weird gooey stuff burns hot and clean, and all you need is eggshells and vinegar. So let's do it. Eggshells are made mostly of calcium carbonate, and if you add vinegar, which is acetic acid, they react to form calcium acetate. Now that's the key ingredient for making a homemade fire gel. And if you look at store-bought fire gels, what they are made of is exactly that. Calcium acetate with some kind of alcohol in there. So I'm going to start by crushing some eggshells. I've got about 26 grams of those. Then once they are a fine powder, I'll add about half a cup of the acetic acid, which is the vinegar. Then I'll let that react together. It produces a lot of carbon dioxide, but creates calcium acetate. Once it stops bubbling, I can filter it out to get rid of the eggshell bits and other impurities, and what's left is what I need. It will have a lot of water though, so I'll boil it down to about halfway. Now the type of alcohol I'm using is actually methylated spirits. I'm using this because it's readily available for me to use right now, but I recommend if you want to try this to use ethyl alcohol with a high percentage of alcohol. The good news is that the main ingredient in methylated spirits is 95% ethyl alcohol. Methylated spirits just means denatured alcohol, and that means it's undrinkable. So here are the other ingredients in the methylated spirits I am using. They are in such low concentration that it'll hardly make a difference to the experiment today. Anyway, you just add about half a cup of this to the calcium acetate and stir. Then suddenly it forms a solid gel, which is so cool to see. And that's it, that is the fire gel. So this stuff, even with the minimal impurities, still burns actually quite clean. So still burn it in a well-ventilated area. I've got an open window right there. And a quick note as well, this is actually still mainly alcohol, so don't cook with it, just cook on it. But how cool is this? A homemade fire gel just from eggshells and vinegar. It works so good. And so if you did enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos like this.